This is a garden center that we took over several years ago. A garden center that offers from bedding plants, garden decor, trees, perennials and much more.
We are very grateful to be nominated for this award. It's something that we didn't expect.
We absolutely want to thank our customers. Over the past 15 years, customers that were strangers, many have become friends, and we have a great support from our families too. We came from Belgium and we came 15 years ago to Canada. We had a dream to come here. It offered more opportunities, we thought, for business and also for our family, for our 3 children.
I grew up in the garden center world. So you look for something to do. So we took over this business that was out here in Barrhead. We decided to grow poinsettias for Christmas.
That was fairly new for us because we didn't grow anything in Belgium, we just bought it in. Ever since the first crop, we've been adding things. The feedback from our customers, it always encouraged us to add and do different things. Over the years we had challenges, but we are very proud and happy where we are now.
From the beginning on, we had people that helped us out here, that we have staff that comes back every year.
We have a very nice group of staff. For this season, for example, we've been very fortunate to have enthusiastic young people helping us as well.
Living in a small community, anything you do towards the community will come back in your business.
Our business sponsors the Barrhead Volunteer Appreciation Evening that is set up yearly. Last year we helped organize the Taste of Barrhead. We've been a board member of the Barrhead Chamber of Commerce for 2 years and we helped organize the Festival of Trees. We are very grateful and honored to be nominated. You know, after 15 years it gives us a feeling like, wow, you are appreciated by all these people and what you have done is really be noticed.